Welcome to my channel. Keema Karele. Let's make delicious keema Karele. Now we cut bitter gourd. First we added keema and chopped onions in pan. Add dry coriander, cumin, thick cardamom and curry leaves water. Cover and leave for cook. Now we fry this karele. Add oil. Add ginger and garlic paste, chopped tomatoes. Add chopped green chili. Add yogurt. Cooked well. Add homemade spice. Now put fried bitter gourd. Cooked well. Ready for eat. Add green coriander. Thanks for watching.